Welcome back to the Overland build, where I have so many parts to install that I'm just gonna jump right back into it because we don't even have enough time for everything. So now that we've got our D3 custom roof on and our Go Overland rooftop tent, let's get back into this. Now we know that overlanding means you need to have the ultimate in capability, so we're gonna be installing these 32-inch tall tires and rims, but as you guessed, they won't fit on the UFORCE XL without some updates. This is where Moorhead Off-Road comes to the build, delivering an incredibly beefy heavy-duty arched A-arm kit, both front and rear. These arms are built of 1/4-inch wall-thick USA-built steel, powder-coated in black or silver, or available raw. This kit will allow you to run up to a 35-inch, yep, you heard me correct, 35-inch tall tires, all while using the stock OEM axles, bushings, and ball joints. We decided to add on the optional HD tie rod kit as the massive increase in size is gonna put more stress on the steering system. Now this kit is covered by a lifetime warranty, and they're built by Moorhead Off-Road in collaboration with Team MSCparts.com. And while there isn't an actual number for increased ground clearance or lift, this kit just took our UFORCE 1000 XL from mild to absolutely wild. Now at this point, the obvious second step is to toss the tires and rims on, but in reality, after putting this lift in, going to this big of a set of tires and rims, we gotta put a clutch kit on. This isn't an option, this is a necessity. The Team MSCparts.com team sent me over the Stage 3 clutch kit for the UFORCE XL, and these guys offer so much for the CFMOTO line of products, so check them out. The Stage 3 kit comes with Vadi Verico springs out of Finland, as well as a billet aluminum secondary helix specific to our UFORCE XL. But Team MSC has Stage 1, 2, and 3 kits for all CFMOTO side-by-side owners. The kit also comes with weights and a spring for the primary clutch and instructions on how to set it all up and reclock your secondary clutch. This kit will ensure that we put power to the ground efficiently for our larger tire size, getting everything the 1000 XL has to offer out of the engine and still maintain our belt life. And speaking of belts, Motovan hooked us up with an Ultimax UPX 485 to ensure that we also have the best performing belt for this application. And now with the clutching setup ready to handle the huge increase in tire size, I would say it's about high time for me to put these tires and rims onto the CFMOTO. Again, Team MSCparts.com hooked us up with a beautiful set of MSA M21 LOK beadlock aluminum rims. We opted for the charcoal tint center and black gloss beadlock to match the rest of the build. The rims are 15-inch by 7-inch, and because of their true beadlock will allow us to run much lower air pressure when we find ourselves in the most aggressive terrain and need ultimate traction. Now wrapped around those beautiful MSA rims are 32 by 10 TIS Hercules UT1 tires in a square setup so that we can rotate them at any time, any location. The UT1 tires are a perfect blend of all-terrain performance with high-quality rubber compounds and aggressive shoulder lugs, as well as an excellent clear-out capability and exceptional pinch and tear resistance, thanks to the heavy ply rating. This package not only increases capabilities exceptionally, it looks flippin' ridiculously great, and that is a fact. Now, while I'm sitting a lot higher up off the ground, there is one other thing that I should address, and that's skid plates, because they're really important. CFMOTO Canada offers both aluminum A-arm guards for front and rear, but also full HDPE, or high-density polyethylene skid plates for the entire underside of the UFORCE XL. Now, we won't be able to use the included HDPE A-arm guards because of our new high-arched arms, but we can use the entire underbody protection that literally covers everything on the underside with 8mm of HDPE. This will ensure any rock strikes or sticks that try to puncture up and through the bottom get turned down immediately. It'll also help us to slide the UFORCE over any obstacles that we do tackle that may be just a bit too big. Skid plates are rarely seen, and most times you don't even notice that they're doing their job. But one small miscalculation or flung up stick can do a world of hurt if you don't have them. In my opinion, they're as important as a winch on any ATV or side-by-side, and the cost from CFMOTO Canada is excellent at just under 900 bucks Canadian. I've put a lot of stuff on today and really changed the look of our UFORCE 1000 XL Overland build, but the reality is I have so many more parts to put on this thing. So make sure you tune in for next week where I'll continue our Trax Overland build.